So when eggs freeze in the winter, they crack and become unsafe for humans to eat. However, for chickens, they're not only perfectly safe, but a great source of nutrition. Simply scramble them up, yes, shells and all, as eggshells are a great source of calcium and grit for the chickens. I'm using a bit of coconut oil just so the eggs don't stick to my pan, and from here we're just going to cook them like normal. After they've cooked all the way through and the eggs have cooled down, it is time for the chickens to feast. They go from curious to crazy in 3.5 seconds and devour the whole plate in about 30 seconds. I've got to say, watching them eat is so much fun. And of course, we've got our silky rooster Solomon trying to woo one of the hens with a piece of that egg. It is so cute, but it is not working today. Sorry, buddy. Follow our account for more chicken tips and tricks.